Having quality visualization and situational awareness of a remote worksite enables operators to monitor, support and direct activities. This greatly improves safety, security, and operational efficiencies. Traditionally, live video surveillance and critical site monitoring has been both difficult and expensive for operations in remote areas, both at sea or on land. Hampered by congested or lack of any network coverage, in conjunction with the high cost of achieving available satellite bandwidth, operators have opted to compromise. More cameras mean lower picture quality. Better video quality means sacrificing coverage. On many occasions, leaving critical operations unmonitored. Envision a system, without latency or lag, where cameras can stream every detail, and where the footage can be instantaneously made available to anyone in the world, anywhere, at any time, using the lowest possible bandwidth. That system is NodeStream, Harvest Technology's proprietary transfer protocol. With the ability to use existing operational infrastructure, NodeStream's remote surveillance solution optimizes your existing network systems to enable secure high-definition video from a remote site to be live-streamed via satellite or over poor quality and congested networks at a fraction of the bandwidth previously required. NodeStream features built-in redundancy across multiple servers and data centers for outstanding reliability. All data is delivered via military-grade, ultra-secure, point-to-point, encrypted connections. Whether you're an operator, end user, or a systems provider, NodeStream's low bandwidth optimization will enable you to add multiple video cameras and live stream, secure, high-definition video with the quality you need to remotely monitor situations clearly and in real time, and at lower costs than with standard video systems.